All right, hey guys, I'm going to show you really quick how we line up multiple confluences on a trade, okay? We're not just looking for one pattern and one thing. We're looking for multiple confluences on different time frames to trigger a trade, okay? The first thing I noticed in VIX already, I called this long, I think from 13 to 26 or so. I'd have to look at the play. That was my gap fill play from last Friday. Right here, we can see a bat pattern. This one's a little bit harder to see because of this small wave right here. But it is doable and it is at a structure. So we are going to draw it and we are going to consider about buying it, okay, or using it to trigger another trade. Again, it probably confused everyone with this gap, closed the gap. Now it's back at right above the breakout structure right here. And now we are looking at TQQ, and immediately we can see a Gartley pattern here. And the reason why we're looking for a Gartley right here is because of this consolidation zone right here, okay? There's going to be sellers left in this zone that are looking to either get out of a position or re-add to a position, okay? So just consider that right here. And then again on VIX, this is the first thing that brought me to even consider the look for bearish patterns. And again, we have an A, B, C, D. Once you start seeing these, you can start looking for bounce zones, okay? So once we have a VIX that's going to bounce, same thing happened last Friday. I found that pattern going into last Friday, and it absolutely destroyed the market this week, the amount of gains from that play. So just consider that. You want to use two different things. You do not want to be using one single thing. Again, we're looking at something else in this time frame. I'm not going to go over what it is because it's part of the material that we use. But we mark off this zone because it's a consolidation zone, and we mark off a certain EMA, and it kissed off that zone. We know VIX could bounce right here. And this is kind of what we do to looking to get into a trade, and this is what adds confluence. You don't want one reason to be triggering a trade. You want to have multiple different reasons, be it a gap, a moving average, a pattern, a second pattern, a 618 pullback, and or it's inside a daily engulfing candle. Again, on VIX, one thing that we're always going to be kind of watching is we took this inside bar today long. This is, first of all, is a daily ABCD pattern. We took that long. If you look at this, it's like actually a 4 hour, but I'll show you how we could trigger this long. And we did this. And what is there? So that's the ABCD level. Now look what's there. Daily inside bar. So we always want to box that off, consider one-to-one risk reward is probably where a lot of people are going to get out. But we were long from there. We actually closed that long just a few minutes ago, and we're just entered short now. And we will add in short to this. So that's kind of how we're doing it. Again, we're looking for VIX to bounce. We're playing with house money. If it doesn't work out, we are totally okay with that too. We only are risking profit from this morning today.